Hi, I'm Priscilla Metters with Nashville Wraps. Today I want to show you how to do the diagonal gift wrap that's been trending. It gives a nice clean fold on each corner, and with a little bit of practice it can be very fast. Start by cutting your paper. Make sure you leave a little bit on the sides for overlap. Match it on the other side. I'm using a corkback metal ruler instead of scissors. When I hold the ruler down, I can just quickly tear the paper. Then I'm going to measure how long to cut it. I want to have maybe 3 or 4 inches of overlap. So I place my ruler down, and then I can tear the paper. Place the gift on the paper diagonally. You want to rotate it and make sure that there's enough room to wrap around the corners on this side, and then do the same thing this way. You want to make sure that you leave enough paper extending past this corner so that it will go around the corner, and then the same thing over here. This piece needs to extend past the corner. Put a little piece of tape there. Then pinch the corner. Crease that side, and then crease this corner just by extending your finger out. Then you're going to tuck in this paper by pulling up this crease that you've made. So when it comes up, it'll lay flat at the corners. And then you can tape it again. Do the same thing here. We'll pinch. Make sure when you pull this paper up that the corner aligns. If it's too long, you can adjust it a little bit. Did a little better that time. Then tape it down. And then you do the same thing here, just on both sides. Pull it up. And tape it down. Then go ahead and crease your edges. And don't forget to top it with a beautiful bow.